So to make it easy, you want to use your computer or laptop to do this. And then here on the Google, you want to search for YouTube TV and then click on this tv.youtube.com. And after you signing in, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click on your profile picture. And then you want to go to settings. After that, you want to go to live guide right here between streaming limits and then area. And here on the live guide, you can just search on which of the channel that you want to hide. And after you find it on the specific channel, you want to tap on this eye icon with the slash on top of it. And then after you click that, the arrow and then eye icon will disappear. And instead, you have this unhide icon. And there you go, that specific channel will be hidden or blocked from your YouTube TV. And then to unhide it, you can just click on unhide and the channel will be back. And then to make it work, on your TV, you want to go to the live section on your smart TV. And after that, you want to tap down button 2 or 3 times on your TV remote until this screen appear called reorder. And then you want to click on these 3 lines right here at the top of channel logo, and then beside the times, just click on it. And here at the right side with your TV remote, you can just click on custom. And if you already set it to custom, just click on it one more time with your TV remote to refresh the screen. And that's it. If you go back to the reorder custom screen here, you will see that the specific channel that you hide or unhide before will be affected. And that's how to hide or unhide channels on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.